Oh my god. I'm literally so late. I woke up at 7:40 when my alarm was supposed to be at 7 because today is Friday and I have a full day of classes. I have to wake up early to be able to cook some dinner? No, lunch for me. I also washed my hair, so I did wanted a bit more time, but it's already 8:10, I think, and I have to leave supposedly in 20 minutes, but I don't think that would be possible. So I will be reaching late to class because right now I have to first of all get ready, then make my bag, then cook something for me for lunch and for breakfast. So yeah, that would take quite a while, probably half an hour. So I'll probably be leaving just a few minutes late. So yeah, as I said, this is a realistic morning routine of mine. Luckily, like the professors are not that strict for like time. The timing is from 9 to 12:15. So if I do like reach 9:15, nothing will happen. It will be all okay. I don't know why, but I think it's about to rain for some reason. Maybe. I don't know why I actually like woke up late today, even though I slept early. Early in the sense of like 11 p.m. But let's right now make my bed and then go cook some lunch. I made my lunch. I'm waiting like it cools down a bit because it's too hot. And then I also made some coffee. Not hot, it's really like cold, but I don't have like a glass to take. I'm using the hot one. It's cold coffee. And I just realized it's raining outside. I'm thinking if I should take the umbrella or not because I'm too lazy to take it. And I already have a lot of things in my hands. But yeah, it's already 8:40. I have to leave in 5 minutes until this thing cools down. So yeah, that's my not really lazy, late morning routine in my life as a college student. Sometimes I do get very lazy in the morning and I just literally make my bag, get ready and leave because I'm too tired. I need to actually start waking up early because I always reach late at my class and that's not a good example to be honest. But yeah, I think that's all for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's not a really productive morning routine to be honest, but yeah. Bye bye.